Everyone, today I want to show you how to change your username on X Twitter. First of all, you guys have to open your browser. As soon as your browser opens, you have to log in to Twitter. As soon as you log in to Twitter, we will now see how we can change its username. If you see here at the top, its name is written. To change its name, we can press the button by pressing the Edit Profile button. If we want to change its username, then you will not get any option on Friend here. For this, you have to click on More here. Click on the right side. After clicking on it, a small format will open in front of you. Here you have to click on Settings and Sports on this. After clicking on this, you have to scroll down a bit, and after that you have to click on Settings and Privacy on this. After clicking on Settings and Privacy, a new format should be in front of you. As soon as the new format opens, you have to click on the button of your account here, and this format will open in front of you where the option A is of account information. Click on it. After clicking, a new format will open in front of you on the right side. As soon as the new format opens, your username will be visible to you at the top. Click on it. After clicking, now you can easily change your username here. The way to change username on Twitter. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like it.